Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free epic camo or skin of Man o' War. I already got this Man o' War. This is free epic skin. So what you need to do is click the events banner, click the future. As you can see, there are some event in here. What you need to do is click the high seas hijinks market. So you need to redeem the rewards. As you can see, I already redeemed this Man over by collecting token. This is impossible battle token and also compass token. So where you can get this token, so you have to complete the tasks from this event. High Seas Hijinks Armada Challenge. So you need to complete the challenge. For example, kills or defeat 20 enemies in Ground War Armada event. So by claim, if you already finished, you can claim this battle. So after collect this battle, you can redeem in this event High Seas Hijinks Market. Not only man or flying dirty epic skin, epic camo. You can also redeem uh, several or some gift. For example, this one MK2 Wandering Knight, and also this is a very useful card, rank shield card. If you lost in multiplayer rank, the experience will not deduct. So the point is you have to playing more by completing the task or completing the challenge of High Seas Hijinks. As you can see, this is my loadout. This is Man o' War Flying Dirty by some customized of my loadout. Man o' War itself is one of highest damage assault rifle in this game. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.